Let's go. That's the first one in the empty truck now. Let's get it in. This one is heavy. So we find another stove. Come back YouTube. I'm on my way to work. Now look what I find. I just find a stove. So now we're gonna take this, put in the truck. I got a microwave over. I got a table there. Yeah, so we're just gonna put this in the truck and a dishwasher there and show you. We just pick up these, everything there. So we're just gonna put it in the truck and get back to you guys. So now we put it in. We're almost full. Maybe we want 4 more stuff so we can full. So I'm going to work still. So let's find something else on the way to work. Catch me as I can. Scrapyard, but we see this open bin, so we gotta see. Oh, nothing good, nothing good, nothing good. Why you see me doing that? I'm checking if I see money inside. Sometimes there is money inside and I find money inside sometimes, so I'm just checking to see if any cash is there. Alright, get back to you. Back YouTube. This is what we're doing today. We got like 8 rims, car rims, so we're bringing it to the scrapyard. See how much we get paid. And we got some copper here. Maybe about 25 pounds. So yeah, we're gonna see how much we get paid. So I gotta put these things in the truck fast, very fast, and see how much we gotta get paid. So in total we got 17, I think 17 rims, and maybe 20 pound, maybe 20 pound of copper, I don't know. We hope 20 pound, that will give us at 100 and something. The price of copper now. Put this over here. Push it up there. Some of them, they're really heavy. So we hope $500. That will be nice in the morning. I gotta go back to my country, Jamaica. My grandmother died, so that's why we selling these things to buy a ticket to go to Jamaica. Cause my grandma, she died of 99 years old. So we going there to show respect, you know, meet some family member. Some of these rooms are heavy. Wow. Let's go. We don't have nothing in the truck today, just car rims on a washer. 3 more. One more rims to go. Oh, you have light, you know? Oh. It's like blinking. Yeah. So, see how much for the cup. Maybe 20 pounds. So I know that's $100 and something. This is what we're working with. Say 20 pounds. Yeah. Alright, get back to you when we reach the scrapyard taking it out. So this is a beautiful bridge with a nice river or lake, I don't know. I love this bridge. This is what we do now. We at the scrapyard, so we unloading these rims now. Then bring it inside. Then we get paid. Wonder if it's gonna hold. I don't think so. 2 more to go. Let's try. Let's see if we can bring it in like this. You guys put in a new scale.
Alright.
I know. I got some copper too. I hope this bring me. This is the most I never pick up, you know. 7 no, I think 17
it's a good picture for the first.
Yeah, for the, that's why.
Turn around.
Oh,
Go inside
yeah.
first.
This one is gonna fall. I don't want it to fall, you know. Yeah, take it off. Oh, 400 and odd pound. That's not bad. Minus 60. That's not bad. I get these copper. We're gonna get the copper here now. This is what we're working with now, YouTube. I got a lot of AC copper rod, and I got some number 2 copper. I got some copper there too. We got some brass. I don't think I'm gonna sell that today, so we're gonna take it down, show you. I think we're looking for maybe a 600 today. I'll be happy if I get that. So I get back to you guys when I put it in the bin and everything. So now we put everything in the bin. So we gotta go inside now. We're gonna put this one on top of there and then go inside. Welcome back, YouTube. So the total for everything we just sold is $1,147, and I still got a lot home I didn't sell, so I gotta keep that for another day. So catch me on the road again picking up scrap. Please subscribe, like. Let's take this big fridge out. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta cut it. Maybe more. Hot water tank. Stay. I gotta clean my truck up today. This hot water tank has been a long time. No copper, no brass. This one they clean it up. A little piece of brass here, I take it. Oh, I hit my foot real hard there. See what's inside of here. Nice piece of copper. What else? The back. Take this. This thing off. Off? Go again?
You don't need this.
No. Take this off. Got a lot of copper here. Don't tell me this thing don't cut. Alright, let's go there. Yeah, it's good, it's good. This is what leave. We gotta cut these. I say I gotta make a video cutting these here. We got some wire, we got some copper compressor. So yeah, we're just gonna go get paid now and catch you on the road again. Oh, so for everything I just make, I make $183.50. So that's for everything we just found yesterday. $183.50. So for everything 183. What are you doing, sir? So we have some stuff we're gonna scrap down now and see what's going on.